If you want to manipulate value before saving database using Eloquent model, mutators can be helpful. Let's say I want to register a new user, and while saving user in database, I need to save the password hash instead of actual password. Right now I'm using form request class and converting password to its hash here, and then providing it to model. Let's see how we can improve it using mutators. First, let's return validated values from here. Now in user model, let's create a mutator, set password attribute. Here password is being provided as parameter $value. In this function, I have access to internal property of model attributes. Set this attributes password equals to hash of password. That's it. Let's try this in Postman. Create a new user by calling registration API. And now try this in login. And it works. It's that easy.